What is up, guys? New garage, same stupid crux. That is right, I am standing in my new to me garage at my new place. So a couple months back I mentioned that I was going to be trying to move out from living with my family and trying to get my own place, and well, here we are, we've done it. I've never actually fully had my own garage space. I've always lived with people, and in this case I was living with family, and the entire garage was filled up, as you would have seen. So that's why I was always pretty much working in the driveway or kind of at the front of the garage where I'd carved out some space. But officially I have my own place now in my own room. So this is far from everything that's going to be in here, unfortunately. Those boxes are going to go away. Those are just obviously from my TV, which is the official TV of the NBA. That's special. Anyways, yeah, I have more stuff to move in here, quite a few tools and other things, and a couple motorcycles. So I'm going to have to get real crafty on this and make this space work for me. But I am so thrilled to have a space that is my own and to be able to have a good spot to actually kind of be organized and lay out everything the way I want it and be able to work on projects with a little bit more efficiency and organization. So totally stoked on that. I got some of these nice Gorilla racks from Costco. These were on sale for about 80 bucks. Each shelf can supposedly hold 650 pounds. So your mom, it's not a very good joke, but oh well, we're sticking with it. So need to set those up, and then of course I bought a new DeWalt fan that was also at Costco on sale because it's hot as balls here. So gonna set those two things up and kind of start to carve this place out and make it my own. Gonna have to get creative with some wall storage, but we've got some good working space here, and I could not be more thrilled. Speaking of, it's got some pretty great lighting already, actually. Damn it. They're gonna copyright strike us for the neighbors playing music. But yeah, we've got some pretty excellent lighting in here, actually. And that's not to include this UFO lighting that DJIA sent me that you would have seen in my last truck video. So we'll have a pretty good spot here. So again, I'm very thrilled to have this space and build this out and kind of fill it like I want to. And I'm excited for you guys to see that journey as well. And speaking of the place, why don't I give you the cribs tour. Welcome to my crib. Not really going to give you guys a real tour, but this is the space I'm working with. It is not fully set up yet. Waiting on a little bit of furniture, but yeah, I am just so stoked to be able to set everything up how I want. Excited to have a space that I can be creative in and kind of tailor make to my fit. And speaking of creativity, this is my office slash game room where I'll be doing most of my editing. So again, I'm absolutely thrilled to have not only a new place to live in, but a new place to be creative and to make my own, and to have a workspace that is truly beneficial and organized to the way that I need it to be. So I'm excited for it, and I hope you guys are as well too. That being said, I know I owe everyone a couple videos. I still need to finalize I still need to finish the Scion TC Ultimate Daily Driver series. I still have 2 videos left to finish on that. I have not forgotten. I also need to finish editing the second video of the Tundra refresh. All of that work is done. I just need to edit it. And that leads me to my next point, which is not exactly a fun or a bright one, but is something necessary that I feel like I need to add to the channel. I think it will not only be relatable, but I think it will also maybe be helpful to some people, just to know that other people go through this. But I suffer a lot from depression and anxiety, and this has been one of the worst periods of my life for both of those things. I won't really get off into the details of too much, but I have been dealing with a chronic fatigue that I cannot seem to find out what the issue is. And I feel that pretty much every moment of the day, even now. But it's important to remain optimistic in the face of all of these things and to maybe open up about those to other people, and just find a way to push through, which is easier said than done. But when the going gets tough and you realize that it's only yourself and other humans in this world, that you have to lean on other people and open up to yourself about the realities and be patient with yourself as well. So hopefully that explains a little bit of why I have been kind of behind on making a lot of these videos and I haven't done as much as I want. I'm going to try to power through and get these videos created for you guys and edited, but just to know that I am not working at my total best, but we're still going to make it happen anyways, because that's what you do. Because you show up to bat even if you might hit someone in the crowd. No, that's not right. That sounds like something a Mustang driver would do. I don't know. I think you guys get what I'm trying to say, but I also want to thank you all so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate it more than you know. So thank you guys for watching, and keep an eye out for those other videos.